Hello everyone. The CFA exam is just 10 days away. Are you feeling the pressure? In this video, I'll share a 10-day countdown strategy and essential exam day tips to help you feel ready and composed. So, whether you're already feeling prepared or still trying to pull things together, this plan is tailored to maximize your chances of success. But first, I have some exciting news. 365 Financial Analyst is launching a brand new CFA Level 1 prep course, designed to give you everything you need to succeed: comprehensive study materials, expert-led lessons, and practical exam strategies. Click the link below and make your final 10-day prep count. And don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful career content. Let's break it down into a concise, day-by-day plan. I'll be frank with you. The final 10 days aren't about learning everything from scratch. They're about reinforcing what you know, sharpening your problem-solving skills, and building the confidence you need to succeed. Let's see how to make the most of your remaining time. Days 10 to 7 should reinforce core concepts and address weak areas. Prioritize such high-priority topics as ethics, financial reporting and analysis, and equity. These areas carry the most weight and can significantly impact your score. Use summary notes and formula sheets to review key concepts efficiently. Now is also the time to address any weaknesses, review past mock exams, and focus on areas where you struggled. You should avoid diving into completely new topics. Instead, refine what you already know. Active recall techniques can be a game changer during this phase. Use flashcards to quiz yourself on key formulas and definitions, reinforcing what you've learned. Apps such as Anki can be helpful. Additionally, complete short, targeted question sets of 30 to 50 questions per topic to improve accuracy and confidence. Great! Once you reach days 6 to 4, shift your focus to full-length mock exams and time management. Aim to complete at least 2 full mocks under timed conditions to simulate exam day. Pay close attention to your pacing, applying the 90-second rule. If you're stuck, move on and return later. After each mock, carefully review your mistakes and adjust your approach accordingly. Identify patterns in your errors and focus on improving those areas. Mock exams are also an excellent way to build stamina and get comfortable with the structure of the test. As you enter the final stretch, 3 days before the CFA exam, your focus should shift from heavy studying to light review and mental preparation. At this point, it's all about reinforcing your knowledge and getting yourself in the right mindset for exam day. Stick to reviewing your summary notes and key formulas. This is the time to solidify your understanding, not overload your brain with new information. Make sleep a priority during these last few days. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of quality rest each night to ensure you're mentally sharp on exam day. Avoid late-night cramming. It can do more harm than good. A well-rested mind will always perform better. Hydration and nutrition also play a crucial role in your focus and energy levels. Stick to light, healthy meals that keep you energized without feeling sluggish. Avoid excessive caffeine or heavy meals that could impact your concentration. Regarding study sessions, keep them short and focused. Spend time reviewing flashcards, formulas, and high-yield topics, but take frequent breaks to avoid burnout. A great technique is the Pomodoro method. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break to refresh your mind. Finally, the most crucial day is exam day. The hard work is done, and now it's time to put your preparation into action. I suggest focusing on a few key points. First, arrive at the exam center at least 45 minutes early. This will give you enough time to check in and settle down without feeling rushed. I made the mistake of arriving late, which was stressful and not the best way to start a grueling exam. Additionally, ensure you have all your essentials: your valid ID, printed admission ticket, and CFA-approved calculator, either the Texas Instruments BA2 Plus or HP12C. And don't forget extra batteries. Once the exam starts, manage your time carefully. Stick to your pacing strategy, and if you get stuck on a question, don't waste too much time. Move on and return to it later. Read each question carefully. CFA exam questions can be tricky, so take your time to fully understand what's being asked before answering. Finally, stay calm and trust your preparation. You've put in the work, and now it's time to focus, stay positive, and give it your best shot. And there you have it. If you follow these simple tips, you'll be ready to tackle the exam with confidence. Remember that success isn't just about how much you've studied. It's about how well you've prepared mentally, physically, and strategically. The final 10 days allow you to fine-tune your knowledge, reinforce key concepts, and build the confidence you need to perform at your best. You've got this. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and activate notifications. Stay tuned.